Alright guys, I got a couple of packages. Just came back from the post office. Oh my god. So this big package right here, I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty big. This is for Emma and Jose. You know that subscriber that wanted to give them a gift? Because I said okay, they can mail it to my P.O. box. I guess the subscriber thought it was really nice of me. So she did give me a small gift as well. But this is the second gift this is the second gift she got for Emma and Jose. That's how big it is. It's super big. So I guess that subscriber really likes Emma and Jose. So I have another package that came to me. She wants me to open it on my birthday. Probably this Sunday. And she already told me about it on Instagram, kind of what's in here, so that's cool. And this is another package I got from a subscriber. So I'm excited to open this package on my live video. So right now, tonight, I think I'm just going to make a veggie burger. I'm not really hungry. I'm not very hungry, but I have fresh lettuce. I have fresh iceberg lettuce. I have fresh tomatoes. I was going to have a burger, but burgers are kind of hard to digest. So I think I'm going to have a veggie. I think I have one veggie burger left. And then I'll probably watch something on Netflix. Alright guys, so I decided to make a veggie burger. This is from Costco. It's my last veggie burger in here. What they look like. But first I'm going to toast some bread. So guys, I got some fresh sourdough bread. Sourdough bread is my favorite bread. If you guys don't know, I just love sourdough so much. It tastes so good. And I like it because you can use it for everything. You can use it for breakfast. It's great with burgers, sandwiches. And yeah, right now we're going to toast some bread. And I'll be back in a few minutes. Alright, I'm back guys. The bread is toasted. I'm going to just put mayonnaise and lettuce and tomatoes on it. Alright, there it is. Now we're just going to go ahead and fry this veggie burger. Add a little oil in this cast iron skillet. And I'll be done. So first we're going to heat the oven to like medium heat. Alright, I think the pan's hot enough. We're going to add this veggie burger. And today I feel like a cherry Pepsi. These are really cool cans, so you're not drinking a bunch of soda. And you can usually get them on sale, 6 packs for $2.50. It's a pretty good deal. And I love cherry Pepsi. I like it better than cherry Coke. I don't know why. Alright, I think it's done, guys. Alright, there's my veggie burger. That is my dinner tonight, guys. And let me show what I'm watching tonight. Alright guys, I'm watching the show called Lock and Key. It's a Netflix series. It's actually really good. One of my subscribers, Lucas, recommended this show to me on Netflix. I go, yeah, I'll check it out. And from the trailer, I just knew this would be a really good movie or TV show. So guys, basically it's about this family. They move into this house and they find there's like all these different mysterious keys in the house. And some of the keys, I don't know, you can make yourself disappear. You can go through there's a door in the closet and you can be somewhere else that's really scary. I don't know, it's just really interesting, and there's a lot of stuff that I don't know a lot about. I don't want to give too much away, but nothing really scary yet, but I only watched one episode yesterday and it was really good. So I'm gonna watch another one tonight. All right, guys, today is Monday, April 20th at 7 p.m. We're gonna try a new sheet mask. This is called Citrine Sheet Mask. I don't know if you guys know what citrine is. It's actually a crystal. It's actually good for money, believe it or not. But it says Happy Mind and Nourish Skin, made with citrine stone extract. That's what it looks like. The back it says, a new generation Korean face mask combines skincare with gemstone therapy, aromatherapy, and color therapy to achieve multi-sensory results. Wow, pretty amazing. I never really seen a sheet mask with gemstone therapy. That should be interesting. So this is $3.99 at Target, guys. So let's check it out. You leave it on for 20 minutes. Very wet. Wow. I actually like them but like this. It looks very thin too. I like them wet and thin. I feel like if it's wet and thin, it's very thin. This is definitely a Korean mask. It's one of what's my favorite? You know, I like it when it's like a lot of wetness to a fake mask, but this is what this color looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I think it's gonna be a good one. If I like it, I'm gonna buy more. I found this at Target. Alright, I just checked in the mirror to make sure I put everything on. It looks correct. Believe it or not, guys, I never had a sheet mask where it actually fits really good. It's not falling apart. It's very smooth. There's no really holes. I don't know. It looks like it's a really good face mask. Alright, guys, so we have about 20 minutes. I'll come back in 20 minutes and I'll give you my thoughts on this face mask. Hi guys, it's been a few minutes. I just want to update you on what I'm feeling with the mask. I just feel a lot of cooling sensation. It just feels really good. That's all. Alright, I had it on for about 20 to 25 minutes. I definitely feel a lot of tingling and cooling sensation. Let's take it off. Wow, it feels really good. Wow. It's also very relaxing too. Now they say to just like go like this and get the excess, you know, stuff up here. So it doesn't do that. And just rub it in. Alright guys, I definitely like this product. I just loved how it stuck to my face really well, and sometimes, you know, they're not very thin, or these fall apart, or they just never stay on. This one really stayed on. I really like this one a lot. I liked how it was very thin, had a lot of liquid in it. I would recommend it. So pretty soon I'll be doing a video making a new recipe called Korean beef bowl, I think it's called. Like rice with beef and broccoli on the side, and I'll be putting some makeup on, and I can really tell with my makeup as well how my face really looks. So if my face looks really good with that video, you know why. But yeah, I recommend this face mask, especially it has that citrine crystal in there. It's really good. So my face feels it feels like it's lighter, moisturized, all the excess junk out. I don't know, I like my face. It just feels like it took a lot of stuff out, and it's very moisturizing. But it's funny how it says Happy Mind and Nourish Skin, because I just feel really relaxed with this mask. It's kind of weird. Other masks I don't feel like as relaxed. I know that's kind of weird, but I don't know. I like it. I like it a lot, guys. So check it out. I got this at Target. I think it's more expensive if you Google this mask. I think on the bottom that's where it is. It's the name of the company. I think it's like $7 around $7 or $8. It was only $3.99 at Target. Check it out. So right now I'll be making a new recipe. It's a beef bowl. It's a Korean beef bowl it's not spicy, with broccoli on side. It's gonna be kind of pretty healthy, so I'm really excited about that. Hey guys, this is Saturday, April 25th, the day after my birthday. It's 11 a.m. I'm having a late breakfast, some sourdough toast with butter and some scrambled eggs. All right, guys, it's Sunday around 11 a.m. I'm at Safeway. I want to see what kind of birthday cakes they have for my live video today. I think I'm going to, instead of making fresh spaghetti, just feeling low energy today, I just want to do something simple. So I think I'm just going to get pizza. I haven't done pizza on this channel for a while. I thought maybe a really good video. I might go to Lucky afterwards. So these are my two stores really close to me to see if they have anything. Maybe I'll get the cheapest or to see if there's, you know, what they have. But I think I'm gonna go to Safeway right now. All right, guys, I came back from Safeway. Let me show you the cake I got. Now, this was $9.99. It's a chocolate cake. It has coconut flakes on top. It looks really good. I could have got a double for $19.99, but that would be too much for me. So I love chocolate. This is what I'm going to be doing for my video tonight. So I got some lettuce. I'm craving some burgers. So I got lettuce and an avocado right here. I think this tuna fish was like $1 each, so I got 3 cans of tuna fish. I don't remember the price of the beans, but I got pinto, black beans, red beans. I'll make some beans soon. Some batteries. I'll tell you what the batteries are for in a second. Got some sourdough bread. I love sourdough bread. Some Pocky. These are really good as a snack. I never tried this before, but it was really cheap. I think it was like $1.25, but it's like a Signature Skillet. Signature Select is a Safeway brand skillet pasta. I think all you do is you just add beef, water, and milk. I'm gonna try that one day. And I got some of this garlic pasta. And I didn't tell you guys, but my mom gave me for my birthday a nice little microphone set with a tripod with a light. So the batteries is for the light. It needs, I guess it needs batteries. But yeah, this is what I got at Safeway. So later today, in a few minutes, I'm going to go live. I want to test out outside without the microphone and then with the microphone. Just want to see if there's just want to check out the test, just to see the sound, if that's better. I definitely did some videos on this camera. This is way, way better than all my other mics. So I definitely did a test. So I did a test on this microphone, simple video test on my camera. This mic is way, way better than all my other mics. So, but I want to do live and check that out outside.